Hi, Beverly here. Today I wanted to ask you to become interested in the next level of the relationship you can have with your children. The parents I see come to me with a smile on the outside, but on the inside they're not smiling. They're having some difficulty, some challenge with a relationship with a particular child. If you take an interest in the next level, if you read, if you seek help, insights, tools for how your relationship can improve, you can actually see tremendous things happening. Take time this week to take an interest in what that next level would look like. How would your relationship look like in a year's time, in 2 years' time? And most importantly, how would you feel when your relationship with your child had taken a 180-degree turnaround? So that is my challenge for you this week. Take an interest in what the next level looks like. Be there. Read. Consult. Find ways of being inspired and enjoy that next level of relationship with your child.